Welcome to my channel. How to reset Verizon router. 1. Locate the reset button. Find the small reset button on the back of your Verizon router, often labeled reset. 2. Ensure the router is powered on. Make sure the router is plugged in and powered on with all status lights active. 3. Use a pointed tool. Grab a paperclip or pin to press the small reset button. 4. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the router's lights start blinking. 5. Release the button, let go of the reset button and wait for the router to restart automatically. 6. Wait for reboot. Allow 3 to 5 minutes for the router to fully restart. The lights will stabilize when ready. 7. Reconnect devices. Reconnect your devices to the router using the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password printed on the router label. 8. Access the admin panel. Open a browser, type 192.168.1.1 into the address bar, and log in with the default credentials on the router. 9. Reconfigure settings. Set up your Wi-Fi name, password, and other preferences in the admin panel, as the reset clears previous configurations. 10. Save and test. Save the settings, and test the connection on multiple devices to confirm everything is working correctly. Thank you for watching.